What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We have got one more important update received today on the Galaxy phones, and that is the security patch for July on the Galaxy S25 series. I got the S25 Ultra here. Let's go to the settings, tap on software updates. As you can see, I have already downloaded the update. This is 569.97 MB in size. The security patch is July 5th, 2026. Version number ends with CZG3. And in the change log, there is no new features mentioned here. But these days, it seems like the size is getting slightly bigger and bigger when it comes to security patch. Earlier, we used to see somewhere around 300 to 400 MB or 450 MB of security patches. But now the system is demanding more than 500 MB of security patch, or maybe it depends on the vulnerabilities that the phone is facing and perhaps the bugs as well, based on which Samsung will be pushing these updates and the sizes would vary. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to restart the phone and we will see how the phone is performing. We will also see if there is any new update for Google Play system, and we will also see if there is any new application updates available for the Galaxy S25 series. By the way, we have already got the update for the Galaxy S26 series, the July security patch, and we have also received the One UI 9 Beta 4 for the S26 series. Not sure whether the S25 series is going to get the beta version of One UI 9. It looks like the One UI 9 is a smaller upgrade when we compare it with the One UI 8.5. So the beta may not be there. I'm not very sure if there is beta. Probably in another 1 or 2 weeks, we should be able to get it on the S25 series. And the stable version of One UI 9 is expected to hit by the end of this month on the S26 series. I will keep you guys posted about that. Now let the phone get restarted. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Okay, the phone has been updated. Let's quickly go to the settings and tap on security and privacy, and let's check the updates here. Let's see if we have got the Google Play System update. Currently it is on June Google Play System updates. Let's see if we have got any update here. No, it looks like it is still an incremental update that we have got for the Galaxy S25 series. So we are on June Google Play System, which is the same on the S26 series as well, and I think on the rest of the predecessors as well. Now let's quickly see if there is any update for the applications. Okay, we have got some updates here for Samsung Calendar. It says provides options to hide past schedules, support for marking reminders as complete, enhanced search function for easy searching with natural language, support for attaching multiple images, and improved display. This is the latest version. In fact, we got these features a few days ago, and for some reason it is showing us the update again. And you can see the update date was 10th July 2026, and the size is 68.57 MB. The version number is 12.7.07.3. And we do have the latest Bixby version as well. And the version number here is 3.8.52.5. And the Samsung Health, of course, got a brand new update, a brand new UI overhaul, and some brand new features. So that is also available, which we have already discussed. So these are the 3 updates I am seeing on my phone, and these are not new. These were available sometime back itself, and for some reason it is showing up again on my phone. Now let's see how is the performance on the device. Let's open a few applications. Let's first close all the applications running in the background. Open the phone dialer. We have got the gallery, files, Wallverse wallpaper application, calendar, camera, clock here, Google Play Store. Go to the recents. Check this out. The animation is so smooth and beautiful. No issues whatsoever. Close all of them. Quick panel here. Looks like the quick panel is also pretty smooth here. I don't see a lag or stutter there. And maybe I will check this again after some time after keeping the phone idle. Let's see if the quick panel has improved. In fact, the quick panel has been improved on the One UI 9 Beta 4. So it looks like Samsung is taking a note of this issue, the quick panel issue with respect to the lags and stutters. And it looks like they are trying to improve it every day, but it is just not happening. But this time, let's see. I will keep you guys posted. Now, this is something which I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what you think. Have you got the update? Drop a comment. Which phone you're using? Which update did you get? Do share it in the comment section below. Don't forget to download our Wallverse wallpaper application. You're going to enjoy it. The link for the app is in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you become a part of this community, you will stay updated with everything Samsung. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.